guys, today I actually want to pack some stuff because I don't have enough space to bring everything in one small luggage. So I thought I can put everything in a bag. I really like this one. It's actually for presents and I want to bring that with me as well. What I also want to do is I'm going to show you a few bags with clothes. This blouse from my mom, this blouse that I got from my grandfather, the t-shirt that I really like from my grandfather with Puerto Rico. This is another thing that I got as well from grandfather. There's this one that I really like, that I got from my mother when she was in Italy with my father. It's this one that I got from my grandfather many years ago. It's a blazer. I also have a bomber jacket from him, and that one is already in Belgium. It's a scarf from Eindhoven. This vest, or actually it's actually a jersey. My mom actually fixed it because my grandmother started with it, but she didn't finish it completely. So my mom actually made it, like she finished it this year when she was here with my father in Slovakia. This one is something that the sister of my grandmother made, and I really want to keep that as well with me. It's a very good memory, and she made it herself. This bag is all kind of full. I'm going to put it in this bag. First of all, the vest that the sister of my grandmother made, I couldn't bring it with me. A scarf, I just don't know who made it. I don't know if it was my grandmother or the sister of my grandmother or my mom. This is a sweatshirt that my mom got in 80s and I really like it. And it has like this dragon, and also in the color like turquoise. I also want to bring this skirt that my grandfather bought. Actually, he bought it and then he brought it from Iraq when he was for work. And if in case you wonder why he went to Iraq for his work, he worked at a company that they built like things for people, for society. So also in Slovakia, but they also built things like with water and infrastructure. It was more for infrastructure, I would say. And they also built like things in other countries, like developing countries, and also other countries in Europe. And he needed to go to Iraq because they also needed there some good infrastructure. I have another color as well that my grandfather got from Iraq. This one as well, that is also from Iraq. This is also, I think this is also from Iraq, maybe, I'm not sure, but it's because it's also like this glittery. Probably don't see it in the camera. I do see it, that it was from my grandmother. It even has like the animal stuff on it. This sweater definitely want to bring with me because this is what my grandmother made. She made it for my mother because this was from 1970s or 1960s. I don't remember. I think when I made this video about trying on my mom's clothes, I mentioned also the dates, like not completely the date, but it was like 1960s or 1970s. A dress that I really like, and my grandmother was, I think she was crazy about it. This is also a dress from my mom. I really like this pattern as well. They are so cute. There's nothing in it actually, I can show you. It's they're empty, but I think these are cute. Maybe for jewelry, I think that can be very good. And this one, I also want to bring those things as well. Actually, those are for people who want to like write like letters to other people that they know. A notebook, a diary from when I was younger, or my mom actually found it and she kept it. This is how it looks like. There's a lot already in there. There is still place, so that's a good thing. But for me, it's already quite a lot.